We have added additional ways that you can set your default author name so that every time you create a new binder or you're copying a binder, the default author name can be used instead of going in and adding an author name every time you create a binder. And there are multiple places now that we've added that. So the one I showed you was over here under your My Profile page. And I'll just show you quickly that that is done up here. You'll see a link for that and you go down here and add it. But additionally, you just want to be able to do it when you're at your binder. So here is a new way to do that. So you're looking at your binder here, and I've already got my default author name, which is LiveBinders Training. But now let's say that I'm working on this Upload MPF binder here, and I want to change that author name. I can do it by going to Options. And now we have this new addition here called Add Author Name. So I can do it without having to open up the binder. And now I can say something like, so now I can change my author name directly from my binders page without having to open up the editor. But if you notice on that, it also gives you the option to say, set this as my default author name. So if you decide, we've changed our team name and I want to update all my binders that I've used the default author name for, I can go ahead and just check that box, say add author name, set it as a default author name, and any binder that I've had here that was a previous default author name is now changed to the new name. So this one I set specifically, and this binder here is a collaboration binder. So this is not even my binder to adjust. So that was 2 places. And then additionally, if you go into the binder editor, which has always been available to you, you go under binder settings, and you scroll down to binder author name. So you can set your author name here, and then there is this option now to set as a default author name. And then another place that you can set your author name for a binder as well as set the default author name is in the new binder. You can go here. So this is my new default author name. So that's already showing up. But if I don't want to use that or I want to change it, I can just change it in this field, going back to LiveBinders Training. And I can set the default. I can make this the new default as well from this page here. And now it's got that as my author name when I create a new binder. And it's also went ahead and changed it where I've had the default author name in the field before. Okay, so as a summary here, there are 3 places that you can add your author name and also set it as a default author name. So new binder, you can do that here. And if you want to make that your default author name, you can do that here. You can do that from the My Binder shelf by going to Add Author Name. And you can change your author name here and set it as the new default author name as well. And then again, per usual, you could go into the binder editor. And while you're in there, you can go to Settings, go down here, and fix your binder author name, but you can also set it as your new default author name. So there are many places that you can make those changes.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.